131. From the sands of Sinai to the drones in the sky, Israel don't sleep, only angels fly. Steel and soul, our covenant won't rust. You curse us, you'll choke on your own dust.
You bless Israel and you're blessed for life, but curse this nation, you'll reap your strife. We don't fall, we were forged through fire. Your curse returns, consumed by your own eye.
They rose with swords, we rise with codes. They called us weak, but we crushed their thrones. David ran to the field with just one stone. Goliath kneeled, now it's Merkavah's where the chariots roll. Angel-backed drones locked on your soul. Fire in our veins like the Sinai flame. Bloodline of kings never moved by shame. Prophets in my ear, code in my hand. This is Israel, don't misunderstand.
Bless Israel and you rise in light, but curse us once and you're lost in night. It echoes back what you declare. Your own curse chokes your final prayer.
Joshua marched with shofar blast. Walls fell flat like your future forecast. We never wanted war, but we don't retreat. Peace with a sword and fire in the beat. Modern day Samson, silicon and steel. Iron dome halos, the sky's got zeal. Arab or Jew, with peace you choose, but curse the bond you're bound to lose. Israel Chai, our soul won't die. Your curse returns. Kiss the sky. Ashes of empires under our boots. Try to erase us, but we bear roots. Every exile just sharpened the blade. Every tear wet made legends stay. Suffer blood and Torah code. Shield of David and overload. One hand builds, the other defends. Bless us once, we'll call you friend.
Israel, you rise in song. You curse us and you won't last long. What you send returns tenfold in heat. Covenant steel you can't defeat.
Blessed are those who stand with Israel. Cursed are the hands that try to strike her. We don't break, we multiply. 131.